Carolina, located in the southeastern region of the United States, is a diverse and enchanting destination that offers a perfect blend of historical significance, natural beauty, and vibrant culture. Comprising North Carolina and South Carolina, this region boasts picturesque landscapes, charming coastal towns, majestic mountains, and a rich tapestry of history. In this video, we will delve into the top 5 best places to visit in Carolina, each offering a unique and unforgettable experience for travelers. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. 1. Charleston, where history meets Southern charm. Charleston, South Carolina, is a city steeped in history and renowned for its unique blend of Southern charm, colonial architecture, and captivating landscapes. Often referred to as the Holy City, Charleston is one of the oldest cities in the United States and offers a glimpse into its storied past. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the historic district, lined with antebellum homes, picturesque gardens, and historic churches such as St. Michael's Episcopal Church and St. Philip's Episcopal Church. Explore the iconic Rainbow Row, a series of pastel-colored homes that reflect Charleston's vibrant personality. Don't miss a visit to the historic plantations like Magnolia Plantation and Gardens, which provide insight into the region's antebellum era and showcase stunning gardens. Additionally, a trip to Fort Sumter, the site of the first shots of the American Civil War, offers a powerful historical experience. 2. Asheville, nature's haven in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina, Asheville is a haven for nature enthusiasts and art lovers alike. Surrounded by stunning mountain vistas and lush forests, Asheville offers a perfect blend of outdoor adventures and cultural experiences. One of the top attractions is the Biltmore Estate, America's largest privately owned home, boasting opulent architecture, meticulously landscaped gardens, and a winery. The scenic Blue Ridge Parkway offers breathtaking views and numerous hiking trails. Asheville's vibrant art scene is showcased in its eclectic galleries, local craft breweries, and live music venues. The River Arts District, with its converted industrial buildings now housing artist studios, is a must-visit for art lovers. 3. Outer Banks, a coastal paradise. Stretching along the coast of North Carolina, the Outer Banks is a chain of barrier islands that offers a coastal paradise for beach lovers and history buffs alike. The islands are famous for their pristine beaches, wild horses, and charming seaside villages. Cape Hatteras National Seashore, a protected stretch of coastline, is perfect for relaxing on the sand, swimming, and water sports. The Cape Hatteras Lighthouse, a historic landmark, provides stunning panoramic views of the area. For history enthusiasts, a visit to the Wright Brothers National Memorial in Kitty Hawk is a must. This is where the Wright brothers achieved the first successful powered flight in 1903, an event that changed the course of aviation history. 4. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, nature's wonderland. Straddling the border between North Carolina and Tennessee, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. With its mist-shrouded peaks, cascading waterfalls, and diverse wildlife, the park is a nature lover's paradise. Hiking trails abound, catering to all skill levels, and offer opportunities to explore the park's diverse ecosystems. Cades Cove, a historic valley, allows visitors to step back in time and explore the preserved cabins and churches of early settlers. Witness the mesmerizing synchronized fireflies during their annual mating display in the Elkmont area, a truly magical experience. The park's rich biodiversity also includes over 1,500 black bears, making it one of the best places in the country for bear watching. 5. Wilmington. Coastal elegance and film heritage situated along the Cape Fear River, Wilmington, North Carolina, exudes a unique blend of coastal elegance and cinematic charm. This picturesque city boasts a vibrant riverfront, historic neighborhoods, and a lively arts and culture scene. Explore the scenic Riverwalk, lined with restaurants, boutiques, and galleries, offering picturesque views of the Cape Fear River. The city's historic district showcases beautifully preserved 19th century architecture. For movie buffs, Wilmington is known as Hollywood East due to its rich film heritage. The EUE Screen Gems Studios offer guided tours where visitors can see real film sets and learn about the city's contribution to the film industry. Carolina's diverse attractions, rich history, and breathtaking natural landscapes make it an irresistible destination for travelers seeking an array of experiences. From the charming streets of Charleston to the majestic peaks of the Great Smoky Mountains, from the coastal paradise of the Outer Banks to the artistic haven of Asheville, and the cinematic charm of Wilmington, Carolina offers a delightful tapestry of adventures for all who venture to this enchanting region of the United States. Embrace the warm hospitality, immerse yourself in the local culture, and embark on a journey of discovery in the captivating lands of Carolina.